Guys, very quickly, I've got to bring you guys an update on Spell Token. If you haven't yet, go check out my most recent update on Spell Token from just a few days ago. I actually made quite a bit of gains trading Spell Token on the way up here on this run up right here. Basically called that nice move to the upside there. And now we've retraced down into this pattern. And I have to bring you an update because currently it does look like we're breaking out of my pattern. So we're going to talk about the price targets here for Spell Token. So smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new to this channel. Join us here. We love crypto. Okay, so this is looking absolutely beautiful right here. As far as a reversal pattern goes in market structure, I mean, look at this, guys. It's absolutely beautiful. Before I jump into the price targets, I just want to real quickly zoom out real quick to explain this for anyone that's new here and hasn't seen this chart. This is the same chart that I used in my previous Spell Token video. And you can see that we did get a nice move to the upside here. We tested the resistance perfectly, but we've been in this nice falling channel for a long time. So now we actually have a couple of different measured move price targets here for Spell Token. So we did come down on this support perfectly. I'm going to talk about some resistance levels to pay attention to also for pullbacks, but look at this, guys. So first of all, quickly, we'll do the short-term target first, shorter term target first on the hourly time frame here. We'll drop it down to the hourly. And if we take a look at the hourly, you can see we were in a nice little falling wedge, right? Nice falling wedge, even a potential bull flag. It would be a massive bull flag, a really big flag there with a little pole. But basically, nonetheless, definitely a falling wedge pattern here for Spell Token on the hourly time frame. So let me just extend this on out here just to put it into perspective a little bit better for you there. That would be your resistance area, and then you've got your support levels down here that have been playing out pretty nicely right here. If we make those connections back here and here with these, it's absolutely perfectly confirmed there. And you did get a breakout of this. Now look what we did on the hourly. You broke out of this. You actually fell back down and retested this previous resistance for support and bounced off of it. And that bounce was enough to get you to break another major downtrend line of resistance, which is this yellow trend line. We'll talk about that next. But first, let's put in these targets here on the short term, and we'll talk about this breakout of this other major downtrend and what kind of target that could put in for Spell Token. So first, let's put in this target, and we're just going to put it in here. Guys, move to the upside. You can see this measured move I have here. That is the measurement of this pattern. We did break out of this. Let me move this down actually to our actual breakout point just to get a little more accuracy here. Technically, your breakout point was about right here. So that's going to put your target in here for Spell Token on the short term, right here at about 0.00825. Okay, right there at about 0.00825 or so is going to be your target there. And if you look, that lines you up right here with your previous candle closes here on this first move to the upside there. So that would be a nice retest of that. But that could easily be broken here, guys. We'll talk about this resistance here too next. But first, let's put in this target, which is a measured move of this falling channel breakout, which you did just recently break out of. And let's just put this in here and see where that could potentially get Spell Token, because that's a very bullish target. And let me make sure I have this connected down here good to our actual breakout point of that channel. And that would put us in at about 0.0132. Okay, so right there, a little above 1 penny, guys, would actually be the target there of the breakout of the channel. Now, let's talk about our resistance levels. We'll put that target in. So we have a short-term target, shorter-term target. We could see pullbacks along the way before reaching anything like that. But if we look back here, guys, this target around 1 penny makes perfect sense. I'm going to go ahead and put in a horizontal line there, because you can see that if you line this up here, this lines up perfectly with previous support and previous resistance after you fell below your support. Boom, right? So that 1 penny range right there at our target is an absolute perfect target for Spell Token. I believe that's very significant and would make perfect sense here on a nice bullish reversal move to the upside to catch a pullback around that previous support level near 1 penny for Spell Token. Now, we can also speculate this resistance as well. This purple trend line here, guys, that's going to put you in some resistance at about 0.0094. And then, of course, up here even further, if we were to come on even higher, guys, and break that 1 penny range, then of course you're going to have your resistance levels up here. That would be in the future a little bit though, so it would probably be down here around about 1.5 cents, possibly 0.016, 0.017 cents there or so. Now, real quickly, I want to take a look at the short-term time frame. I'm going to put it down on the 15-minute and take a look at our current pullback here that we're seeing, because we are getting somewhat of a little pullback. You came all the way up here to test some of this previous support and resistance back here. And now you have gotten a pullback back below some of that previous support from back here. And what I would expect at this point, considering you have broken out of both patterns here, there is the possibility, just as you did right here after breaking this pattern, you came up and pulled back down to test that breakout for support. Same thing here could potentially happen here in the short term. You could pull back down to test that support about 0.0062. You could come down to about that range, test that for a bounce, and then have a continuation move to the upside for Spell Token. Thanks for watching this quick update on Spell Token. And I wanted to bring it to you guys because I noticed it looking like it's following Bitcoin, following suit with the markets right now being a little bit bullish, and it's getting a nice breakout of some downtrends. Thanks for watching once again. Smash the likes, hit the subscribe if you're new to the channel. We'll see you next time.